is the dragonfly dance.
Huwag ka naman umarang.
And the next performer is Jessie Boy. And ang gagawin niya po is the monkey dance, or also known as the hunting dance. And they're imitating for the movements of a monkey because for them, there's no other animal to walk. He's like looking for a civic forest and magic in terms of hunting and foraging. Ingat lang kasi po, nangangagat siya minsan, katulad po ng monkey. Baka makagat kayo. And again po, that is Kuya Jessie and the monkey dance for the Sayaw ng Unggoy.
Oh,
Wag lang po masyadong titingala, baka iba pa ang makita. Alright. And last dance for one of the most important dance for them. So ito po yung tinatawag na sayaw ng pagbabayani or the war dance. At ngayon po, gagamit sila ng tunay na pana and palasya. Their own dialect po, they called it as Yao and Bai. So if you notice, they're still wearing their traditional clothing called bahag because that's their way po to preserve their culture as indigenous group of Filipino people. That is Greg versus Joel. Joel po wearing a red and blue bahag while Greg is wearing blue. On the left corner.